Foxconn just proved that even a giant manufacturer can get hit hard by a cyber attack. This is the company that builds iPhones, and they got hit this week. A ransomware group called Nitrogen stole 8 terabytes of data, that is 11 million files, and knocked some of the North American operations offline. But here is the part that the headlines missed. Nitrogen doesn't usually go after giants like Foxconn. They hunt mid-sized manufacturers that is tied to the supply chain. Why? Because companies your size keep production moving, but you don't have the Fortune 500 security budget. That makes you a perfect target, reliable, repeatable, and profitable. If a giant like Foxconn can get knocked sideways, so can your shop. So ask your IT lead one question today. If Nitrogen style attack hit us tomorrow, how long until we ship again? If they hesitate, you already have the answer. And you already know what your next move is.